Recording a video, I end up closing all of the windows and all of the doors in the house just so that no sound can get out of my room and stuff, so that my neighbors don't think that I'm some crazy person who just speaks to himself about LED strips and like gaming setups all day. Anyway, hello everyone, I'm Em, welcome to TechBlock. Today we're going to be doing a little vlog. I haven't done one of these in like a month or so, so I thought let's just make a little vlog, talk about like my life, what's been going on and stuff like that really. So I'm going to be covering my Twitter account because that's been gone for the past week or so. My employment status, I guess. We're going to talk about like my driving, because I'm still doing my driving lessons at the moment, hoping to get my driving license soon. I don't know when I'll get it, but it's taking time. I'm going away on holiday as well, and we're going to talk about the giveaway winners and just stuff like that. And then at the end of the video, I'll look back at some of your comments and just kind of like reply to a few questions, I guess, or just feature some of the lovely comments that a lot of you left in my previous videos. So with all that said, let's begin with the Twitter account. So a lot of you may have noticed that my Twitter account has been missing for the past week or so, and there's nothing really I can do about it. What actually happened is I went on Twitter and my date of birth had been wrong for like many years now, so I thought like, alright, let's update the date of birth, because my date of birth is the 15th of June 1999. I'm 18 years old at the moment, and I'll be turning 19 on the 15th of June, which is very soon. So anyway, I went on Twitter, I updated my date of birth from 1998, because that was wrong, to 1999. And when I pressed like apply, my account got locked, because Twitter said I'm underage, and I need like parental permission to like unlock my account. So that happened. We submitted some documents proving that like my mum is like my parent, I guess, I don't know. And Twitter got back to me saying like upload new documents, or just like god damn it. So yeah, I'm still waiting to get my account back. I did find another form on the page, so I submitted my own documents now, proving that I am of age to use Twitter. Because god, like, I don't understand why they blocked my account. By my date of birth, like, I'm 18, so how old do you have to be to use Twitter? Like, come on. So they just blocked my account even though I am 18. So that was fun. I'm still waiting to get the account back. Hopefully I get it back soon. And it was really bad timing as well, as I just tweeted at Razer like 5 minutes before my account got locked. And I basically said like, hey, can you hook me up with like a headset or something for the channel? Because I don't really have headphones or anything. So I tweeted at them and I posted like a lovely picture of my setup. And 5 minutes later or so, my account just disappeared off of Twitter along with all my tweets. Just, I don't know what's going to happen when I get the account back. Will I get my followers back? Will all my tweets still be there? I honestly have no idea what's going to happen. Turns out Razer Germany posted a picture of my setup tagging TechBlock _ because that's my Twitter handle, but my Twitter account doesn't exist. So that happened. And shout out to my intro designer, Force Arts. He actually informed me that Razer Germany did post a picture of my setup tagging me in it, but my account is just, it's gone for now. So that kind of sucks. And on top of all that, I had just announced the giveaway winners like a few days beforehand. So we had 4 winners of $50, $200 in total. Yeah, my account's just been gone, and those winners haven't received their money yet. And if you're watching this video, I'm sorry. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I'm currently waiting for my checks to come in from YouTube so that I can cash them out, and then I can actually pay the giveaway winners, because at the moment I'm kind of unemployed, and I'll get to that in just a moment. But yeah, I'm waiting to get paid from YouTube, then I can pay the giveaway winners. So sorry that your prizes have been delayed slightly, but you did win. So congratulations to the 4 giveaway winners right here. You know who you are. Right, so let's go ahead and talk about my employment status at the moment, and what's been going on with like me having free uploads last month, which was not very good of me. My apologies for not uploading many videos last month. Things kind of like, it's hard to balance a lot of things in life, I suppose. That's kind of what I've realized lately. So some of you may know I've been working at a takeaway shop as a pizza chef. A very fun job. I'd like make pizzas all day and just like take orders over the phone and stuff. It was fun. And I worked there for over a year, I think since like March of 2017, I think. And recently I've left that job because I had told them I'm going to get a new job, which I did get the new job. But it was in like a food production factory, and I worked there for 2 days. I think I worked on like a Thursday and a Friday, and I quit. I lasted 2 days, and it was kind of bad as well, because I had just left the takeaway shop, which I had worked at for over a year. I got a new job, worked there for 2 days, and I left that one as well. So like, I'm unemployed now, but I'm kind of okay with that because I'm going away on holiday on the 7th, and I'll be back on the 18th. So yeah, it's kind of nice having a lot of free time again. It's weird though, like usually I'd be working like at least 5 days a week, I'd be at work. And yeah, at the moment I'm just like, right, I have all this free time now. I can go gym so much more. Like it's so good. I can just like eat food all day and like train and make videos for TechBlock. Kind of the reason why in May we only had 3 uploads, as I was kind of trying to balance like fitness and like jobs and YouTube and just all these things. It was hard, especially when like I'm doing like my driving license now, and like it's hard to balance a lot of things in life, and you kind of have to like prioritize things. Yeah, so in May things kind of like, it was just a stressful month really, and yeah, that won't be the case in June at all, because I have all this free time now. I'm unemployed, which is a good thing and a bad thing. The bad thing is that, of course, I make a lot less money now, and I'm solely relying on my income from YouTube to pay like bills and stuff and stuff like that. But I think I'll manage for now. Things are looking okay for the future as well. I'm getting a car hopefully in July, maybe? I don't know. I'm still doing my driving lessons at the moment. I've still got my provisional license in the UK, so I can't drive a car. I'm like a learner driver at the moment, so hopefully I'll have my driving license sometime in July, and then I'll be able to get a car. And I can guarantee you there will be videos of me adding LED strips and all sorts of little mods to that car, and it will be a fun project. We're gonna make the interior of that car look amazing, and it is like a really nice car as well. It's kind of like my dream car. Like honestly, like I don't want any other car except that one, and you'll find out what that car is. Some of you may already know what that car is, but for a lot of you it'll be like a nice surprise and stuff. It's a lovely little car, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. And we're gonna add so many LED strips into that car. We're gonna make the interior look super dope. We're gonna add like an Amazon Echo in the car. Oh, honestly, it's gonna be such a fun project to work on, as well as just driving will be fun in that car, because I've driven that car before. I'm doing my lessons in that car now, and I'm gonna be buying the car that I'm driving in my lessons. So it's honestly, it's like a dream come true when I get that car. It'll be so cool. On a completely random note, what do you think of the paint on the walls now? Like the room looks so white. It's so cool. Like all the LED lights in my room now, they look so much nicer. There's no yellow tint to the wall, I guess, which that was the problem for many, many years. And the walls were covered in like marks and stuff, and it was just awful. Now it kind of looks like it's like a brand new room, like we've just moved into like a brand new flat or apartment. It looks so cool, like it's genuinely like brand new, and all the walls are white. It looks beautiful. I'm very happy with the painting that I did, and you can check out the painting my room video in the card in the top right hand corner right there if you are interested in watching me paint my room. It was a very tiring project, to say the least. Painting is tough, man. Like, I've been going gym for like 4 or 5 years, I think, and painting was like an intense form of cardio. Day 1 of painting the room was like super tiring, but day 2 and 3 were like much easier, because I guess my body adapted to painting with like a roller and stuff. But it was a fun project. I'm very glad I painted my room. The room just looks so nice now. And I'm going to have a plans for my gaming setup video coming very soon as well, where I'll be discussing the future plans that I have for the setup, and I'll be asking a lot of your feedback as well, and just getting suggestions from the community here on TechBlock, what I should be adding to my setup and stuff. Just lovely things like that. That's going to be coming in the next couple of days. I'm still working on the episode of Setup Block. I think the way I'm going to be doing Setup Block is I'll have 3 setups featured per episode. As I actually want to like help the people improve their setups, and I don't want the videos to be too long, I guess. So yeah, there'll be 3 setups per Setup Block episode. I think I did 3 setups in the previous one. And I do want to give a few shout outs to the YouTubers that have actually inspired me to make my own setup reviews show, I guess. So there's Ed from TechSource, he has the Setup Wars show. There's Swashin, he has Pimp My Setup. There's Random Frank P's Room Tour Project. I've been on that show. I've been on Pimp My Setup as well, like a couple of years ago. But yeah, they've actually inspired the series, and I hope that it's okay with them that I'm actually making like a setup review show. I hope they don't get angry at me or anything. So if any of you guys are watching, hope it's okay that I'm making this Setup Block show where I review setups. It's kind of similar to all the other shows, but I guess with my one, I'm really trying to like give feedback on people's setups, on like where they can improve on, where they can add more RGB and stuff, just stuff like that really. It's like an interesting series, I think, and a lot of you did submit your setups. I got so many setup submissions. I have like probably 10 episodes that I could record now. Those setup block episodes take a long time to record, as I have to like really look at your setup, think of like things to add and stuff and what you can improve on. So they do take a while to make, but I will try to pre-record like 2 of them because I'm going away on a holiday back to Lithuania, because a lot of you don't know where I'm from. I was born in Lithuania. I probably don't sound like Lithuanian or from a different country really. I probably sound English, or some people even say like I sound American. I was born there, but I've pretty much lived in the UK for all my life. That's probably why I sound English. So yeah, I'll be going back there for like just over a week, I guess. So what I'd like to ask you is, whilst I'm there, would you like to see a vlog of me, like, I guess, adventuring, or just every now and again I'll pick my camera up and just like vlog a little bit of my holiday, I guess, even though I'm only going there just to see family and stuff. But yeah, would you like to see a vlog? Let me know in the comment section down below. Right, so now let's go ahead and review some of the comments that y'all left in my previous videos, I guess. And speaking of comments, I just got a comment asking me like about accessories for biceps. Yeah, so a lot of you may know I do go to gym. If you follow my Instagram, which here's my Instagram handle, link in the description down below as well, along with all my other social media. If you follow my Instagram, you know that I'm into fitness quite a lot, and I like gym. Here's me flexing. I think this is the first time ever flexing on this channel, but yeah, I love gym. I've been going to gym for many years, so that's the most recent comment. Do you have accessories for those biceps? Lovely comment. There was a person here that asked me how to connect 3 monitors to my PC, I guess. So the way it's all done, and I'm going to try to explain it like the simplest way, even though it is really, really simple, but I guess a lot of you are new, and I guess it's probably a bit weird seeing like 3 monitors connected to one PC, especially if you're kind of like new to the PC gaming industry, I guess. So the way it's all done is I've got a graphics card inside of my PC there. It is the GTX 970. It's a little bit outdated nowadays, but it still gets the job done just fine, as Nvidia is refusing to release any new generation of graphics cards, and to be honest, I don't have the money to buy a new graphics card. So I'm very happy with my PC at the moment. It looks pretty, and that's all that matters. So inside my PC, there's a graphics card, and there are a bunch of like connections at the back of it. And I've basically got all these 3 monitors behind me connected to the PC, and more specifically to the graphics card inside of the PC. If you do want to connect multiple monitors to your PC, you'll probably need a graphics card of some sort. So that's how that's all set up. And that's your question answered, I guess, because a lot of people have actually asked me like, hey, how do I connect 3 monitors to a PC? Well, now you know, I guess. But whilst we're actually speaking of my setup and like stuff here, I do have a new wallpaper that some of you have noticed. This is the Razer Prism wallpaper, I think it's called. I'll leave a link to download this wallpaper in the description down below if you want to use it in your setup as well. And for my Amazon Echo Spot, I also have a custom wallpaper for that one. It's kind of like RGB, it changes colors and stuff. It's really cool. And it even has a Razer logo on the Amazon Echo. So I'll leave a few download links to the custom Amazon Echo wallpaper in the description down below as well, if you also have an Amazon Echo and you want to add some RGB wallpaper to it. So I actually did make this wallpaper myself, and I think I might even add the little TechBlock logo on my Amazon Echo, because I think that'd be cool. So yeah, I did make that wallpaper myself in Photoshop. I like added some like circles and stuff and like some squares. It was a pretty simple wallpaper to design, but I'm very happy with it. It's definitely a very unique Amazon Echo. I don't think anyone else has this. I did post the pictures of the Amazon Echo wallpaper on Twitter for people to download, but as you already know, my Twitter account is just gone for now, and I don't know if I'll get my tweets back or anything. So yeah, apart from that, I think that's going to be it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching episode 2 of TechBlock vlog, I guess. I don't really know what to call this series. I'm just kind of like talking about stuff, and hopefully you all enjoyed the video. And yeah, that's going to be it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in another video soon. Goodbye.